You watch a lot of English video every day and you know a lot of technique, but why you are not fluent or why you are not learning English? You feel demotivated yourself when you are learning English and you say, why I'm not learning English? I do a lot of hard work and I'm watching a lot of video, but why? In this video I'm going to share with you the reason why you are not learning English, and I'm going to provide you the solution how can you learn English easily, and this process is realistic. I'm not going to share with you the tips or tricks. I'm just share with you the process, the reality of learning English. Hello everyone, my name is Insaf, and in this video I am going to share with you the process that you can follow when you are learning English. But what are the reason you are not doing hard work, or what are the reason you are not following any routine? You write a lot of routine for your learning English and you watch a lot of video. They provide you the routine, the rules and the technique that while you are learning English. In this video you are not get any rules, any routine. In this video you get the reality of learning English. You never have to write any routine, because when you write any routine you never follow this routine, you feel demotivated. You never have to write this routine while this routine you are not following. There is the way I can tell you. If I make a routine for you and I give this routine, you follow this routine, you can learn spoken English. You never can follow this routine because this following routine is very hard. When it's talk about me, I was a beginner and the lot of YouTuber and lot of teacher, they give me a routine and I never follow this routine because it was hard. That is the reason I create a YouTube channel. I provide you the easy way how can you learn English. I never follow any hard way for learning English. How can I learn English? I just follow the smart and easy way that I can learn English. I never follow any tips or tricks. I just follow what is the thing. I do a lot of mistake in my learning journey, and that mistake you never can do you never have to do your life. That's why I create this channel for you, and if you subscribe this channel you can get the process, the reality why you are not learning English and how can you learn English. This is common mistake. Every learner, they're facing this common problem. They watching lot of English video but they don't understand. As a beginner you are facing this problem a lot. I was faced this problem. When I watch any video I never understand this video completely, but I never stop it. I never stop at my journey. I watch a lot of video. Don't feel about understanding. You just watch this video. If you do this thing every day and if you continue this process, you can be understand English properly. One day that will magic happen with you. You can understand English properly and you feel this is magic. I understand English. How can I? That is your consistency and your learning process. You never give up when you are listening English video. You just listen. This two skill is very important for every learner. That is listening and speaking. Whatever you want, whatever you like, try to speak. Whatever video, whatever thing you like, try to listen, try to watch in English. As a beginner you feel the problem of not understanding any video. You feel the problem of not speaking fluently, nervousness, phobia, and when you are speak with foreigner, that is normal. Every learner they facing this problem, and I was face this problem a lot, and I was learn from my mistake. And if you are a beginner you do a lot of mistake. Don't think about your mistake. In my opinion, the right way of learning speaking skill, that is speak with foreigner, or that is speak whatever you want, try to speak. Most of the learner they can write in English, they can read in English, and they understand English. Why this happening? Because the academic, your education, they provide you the writing, the reading, the understanding, but what's about speaking? This is not teach you your school. This is not teach you your academic education. You have to learn this skill, and when you are learning this skill and you feel demotivated because you watch a lot of video and you are think you are following this kind of step or technique that you can learn this skill. Speaking is the practical skill and you never have to follow any kind of tips or tricks. Yes, you can follow tips or tricks, but these tips or tricks cannot be teach you spoken English, cannot be make fluent. What is make you fluent? That is hard work. Hard work can make you fluent.